Hello, I'm Chen, and today in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create a bootable USB drive to install Windows on the PC. Okay, so nowadays we have a lot of software on the internet which support the feature to create a USB bootable to install operating system for the PC. And In this tutorial, I will use software which is supported by Microsoft. I think we have a lot of another software which is powerful than this software, but I think this software is very easy for the user to use. So that's why I use it for this tutorial. And I also use this in a long time. Okay, so let's get started. The software I use in this tutorial is Windows USB DVD download tool. It is supported by Microsoft. So when you go to this page, scroll down, and you can see the link here. When you click to open the link here, it will direct you to the codecomplex.com, and you can see this page. And go ahead to click on the download button here to get the file into the PC. Okay, so I already downloaded it to my PC. Here I have the setup file, and I have also have an ISO file for the window. Okay, so let's go ahead to install this software first. When you take a look into the name of software, it is Windows 7 USB DVD download tool setup. So I think you will think it will only support for create the USB bootable for Windows 7, but it is not true. It supports all of the Windows version, and I have also used it in a long time ago. Okay, the setup is complete. This one is a shortcut on the desktop window. So go ahead to click on it to open the software. Okay, so the UI is very basic. So now you need to browse to the ISO file. Okay, so I will copy the path of file here. You have to click on ISO file, open. You click on the next button here. In the step 2, we have to choose the media type. We are able to create the bootable for USB device and also the DVD. So, but nowadays I think most of the people using the USB device instead of the DVD. You click on the USB device. Okay, so after that you should select the USB in the drop down box here. So you should prepare an USB is the capability is around 8 gigabyte. So I think it will enough for Windows 10. And when you select the USB from here, so you click on the begin copy. So it will display a pop-up here. So the message is lets you know you should delete all of the data inside your USB. So that means you have to erase for the empty before you can create the USB. Sorry, before you can copy the file into this USB. Okay, when you click on the erase USB device here, so it will start the erase first, and after that it will copy the file into the USB. And so after that you have to wait until uh, the in progress bar reach 100%. So because currently in my USB it contains another window bootable, so I don't want to override it. Okay, so I think this will be helpful for you, and do let me know if you have any question. Bye bye and see you later.